Entering its third model year, the boldly styled K5 Sport sedan largely carries over into 2023 with minor enhancements to badging, packaging and feature content. The K5 is available in 4 well-equipped trim levels, LXS, X, GT-Line and the Sporty GT. The LX trim has been discontinued for 2023. While AWD is no longer offered with the LXS, the GT line continues to be available with FWD and AWD configurations. New for 2023, the GT line is now available with a panoramic roof package. The large glass panel lets the light and sunshine in, and the package also includes LED interior lighting along with gloss black exterior trim along the B-pillars, windshield, and shark fin antenna, creating a sporty, unified appearance. A heated steering wheel is now standard on the GT-Line AWD. Acoustic glass on the front door windows is standard on X, both the GT-Line FWD and AWD, along with GT,